The 10 Greek verbs you need to survive in Greece. Number 1 is είμαι, and that means I am. For example, είμαι καλά. Next one is έχω, and that means I have. For example, έχω δύο φίλους. Then we have μπορώ, and that means I can. For example, μπορώ να έχω μία σαλάτα. A very useful one is μιλάω, and that means I speak. Μιλάω ελληνικά και αγγλικά. Then we have πίνω, and that means I drink. Then πίνω τσάι, πίνω καφέ. Next one is τρώω, and that means I eat. For example, τρώω πρωινό κάθε πρωί. Next one on the list is πάω, and that means I go. Πάω στην παραλία. Next one is ξέρω, and that means I know. For example, ξέρω ελληνικά. Then we have θέλω, and that means I want. For example, θέλω έναν καφέ. And lastly, we have βλέπω, and that means I see. For example, βλέπω τα πουλιά στον ουρανό. If you want to know more verbs like that, join my free Greek learning community by clicking the link in my bio.